Now as you put this on, you're not going to be able to put it on the same direction all the time. You're going to have to start getting into the habit of putting it on maybe a different way. Now see, I'm going to put it on backhanded, and so I'm holding it slightly different in my hand. Still pressing because I know what I need to do to get it on there. I can wipe off the excess. Because see, I'm going this way because I'm right on the inside corner. I could go down this way and be real careful with it, you know, and do it that way. But if you're having a problem with that, because this is a tight skin, you can go out sideways. Okay? The object is, we just want to get this all nice and tight to the wall, however we put it on. Grab it. I wipe off the edges like that so it doesn't spooge out on the sides. And I just put on more than I need. And I'm going to come back and bite it off. I'm going to look at that, see if I need to do anything else. There's a couple ridges there. It all looks nice and smooth. And I'm done with that section. You know what? You might think, oh, that looks easy. He's making it look easy. There's no way I can do that. Like Joe. Well, you know, I had to learn, and it took me a while to learn how to do it. That's going to take you a while to learn too. But if you don't get in there, you're never going to learn how to do it, are you? I don't care how many videos you watch. You can watch mine or you can watch anybody else's. You're only going to get to learn so much by watching before you have to start doing. Okay? These videos are instructional videos to help you. You still have to end up doing it yourself. You know? And the more you end up doing it, the better you're going to get. The beauty of mud too is after you put it on, if you play with it enough and you think there's no way I can do it, let that part sit, let it dry, look at it some more, and put some more on there. It's not a race. You don't have to think if you can't do it fast or something, you can't do it. Take your time on it. Learn as you go. And just know that if I can do it, of course you can do it. I always tell you, I'm not going to show you anything I don't think you can do. Okay? So I'm holding it now. I've got to kind of hold it like that. As I'm going up, I go right here, down. As I'm coming down, I'm holding it. Have to move my hand over so I get my pressure right there to get it flat. See, as I'm holding it, it's like that. Squeeze it tight, and up you go. Now here's something to realize. Because this was already skimmed out, I'm just putting a tight skim on here. I've got an outside corner here. I don't want to pull it straight down because if I hold my knife like this, I see a big, huge gap that this dips in. And because I'm only putting a tight skim, I'm going to have to go this way because I don't want to build up too much mud on this wall. Okay, now if I was doing this from scratch, then I would have made sure I coated this entire thing going down this way, but I didn't do this. I'm just putting a skim coat on here. And so I have to follow the existing wall. if I were to put mud on that way, I'd have to build it up about 3/16 of an inch from here over to about here, tapered down to nothing. And with a tight skim, you can't do that. If I were to put that on there, first off, I'd have a thick layer on there. I'm not going to be able to get it on there smooth. That's going to shrink later. And then I'm going to have to go over it again. Okay? So know how much to put on, when, where, why, and how much. Ooh. Boy, that takes a little bit of doing. It gives me a nice little workout. Didn't really take me that long to do this one wall. Okay? You can do it. Come on, just get out there and try it out.